In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your store currency in Shopify. Getting this right from the start helps you charge customers correctly and keeps your accounting clean, so you can focus on selling with confidence. First, open your Shopify admin and head to Settings. Inside Settings, look for Store Details. This is the hub for your business identity, where Shopify keeps the information that defines how your store operates. Things like your address, legal details, and importantly, how you charge your customers. It's the logical place to set the currency your store will use across pricing and financial reports. Now, scroll down until you find Store Currency. This setting determines the primary currency you use to price your products. It also affects how your earnings appear in reports, so the numbers you see later will match the currency you choose here. Click the drop-down and pick your preferred currency. Common choices include USD, EUR, or GBP, but select the one that fits your business best. A quick note on strategy. Choose a currency that aligns with where most of your customers are or where your bank account is based. This helps reduce confusion at checkout and can lower potential conversion fees when you get paid. If you plan to sell globally, remember this is your store's base currency. Customers may still see localized prices through other Shopify features, but your underlying reporting and product pricing originate here. Here's an important tip. Set your store currency before you make your first sale. After your first order is processed, Shopify locks this setting to keep your historical reports accurate and consistent. If you ever need to change it later, you'll have to contact Shopify support to request a manual adjustment. That safeguard helps prevent mismatched numbers in your analytics, taxes, and payouts. Once you've selected the right currency, hit Save at the top right. Saving applies the change across your storefront and your admin. From here, your product prices, checkout, and financial reports will all be aligned with the currency you chose, helping you avoid discrepancies between what customers see and what you receive. That's it. Simple, fast, and essential. By setting your store currency correctly from the start, you ensure a smoother checkout experience for shoppers and clean, reliable financial records for your business. Get your currency right, get paid correctly, and set your store up for global sales with confidence.